This is the Duckenfield Tulip Slaughterhouse. That I'm stood outside, I don't know if you can hear that. Probably about 15-20 feet away from me, behind those walls, there's pigs being slaughtered and suffering and dying so people can eat pork and bacon. It's disgusting, the smell's disgusting, the sounds are horrific. It's just horrific. Maybe like 10, 15, 20 feet away from where I'm stood. There's just so much pain and fear and death. It's just so grim. This is so people can eat meat. There's no need for it. These pigs don't have any choice. They are imprisoned and murdered so people can eat them, eat their dead, rotting flesh. And people call it bacon and people call it pork. And people are so detached from the reality and people just don't care. Or they choose to turn a blind eye. The smell is pretty just horrific. That's the sound of your bacon and that's the sound of your pork.